Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods, and we're discussing Jhula, swing, hammock, unjal, all these names for one unit, and the most beautiful piece of furniture and most used piece of furniture since ages is this unit. It comes in different colors, sizes, and patterns, and this one is one of the most decorative designs that we have created in all these years. The size is 8 feet by 8 feet. Front to back, the pillar covers 42 inches, 3.5 feet of area, and solid teak wood. Everywhere that you see that is visible is teak wood with brass chain, real brass chain to give the required strength to seat. So, two people, 2.5 seater, you can use it very easily. It can bear the weight, and the movement is seamless and without any sound. As you can see here, quite comfortable sitting, and the design is visible right here. The work of carving, the hand carving that we talk about, the handcrafted wooden stuff that we sell is quite visible here, as you can see in the entire unit. Even the ceiling part of the unit, as you can see here, is it has got some carving, and the design looks beautiful when we look at the unit from here as well. Overall, when we talk about Jhula, there are two types of Jhula broadly. One with the stands like this, the standalone unit, or one goes to the ceiling. I've shown you ceiling designs a number of times, the reversible seat and longer chain, smaller chain, and different models as well. But this one is stand unit, and it has got double pillar. As you can see here, two pillars in the unit. In stand swings, we broadly have two options. One with the ceiling like this, as you can see, and in most ceiling designs, we have double pillars, two pillars on the side, because we need this part to be broader to support the ceiling. And then we have single pillar designs where we have bar on top with the design, and that makes the entire design look beautiful as well. These units are same from both the sides. The design is same. So if you reverse the seat and just unhook the seat, remove the hooks and place it from the other side, and it works from that side also. Or alternatively, we can provide you a reversible back, so you can pick the back and move it this side, and this can be used on the other side as well. This works really good when we have the swing placed in the middle of the room, where we have visual or the usage from both the sides, so we can make the seat reversible as well. The color here is champagne and with brown highlights, as you can see here, and the colors have so many options. You can go for polished colors like natural wood finish and walnut finish, darker finish, mahogany, cherry. These are some finishes in polishes. And then the Duco paint, gold, silver, antique gold, and white, off white, white with gold highlighting, and then dual shade, triple shade, and then gold leafing. All these options we have done already. All these designs we have done already, and we have delivered across the globe. So many designs for Jhula, and even the ceiling Jhula and with brass chain. In a Jhula, broadly what we look for is first the size part. This is a bigger unit, a heavy unit, so 8 feet area it will cover on the floor. We have units that are 7 feet, 7.5 feet also, and smaller units also, depending on the space you have. If you have limited space, obviously this one can't work for you. The other question that we majorly get is how much space do we need at the back? Now here you can see we hardly have 1 feet. Uh, I'll go at the back, and you can see we hardly have 1 feet of space at the back. And when we are swinging the seat, as you can see, this space is good enough. But if you have around 2 feet of space at the back, that is good enough for swinging of Jhula, because these swings do not get too much swing. You don't. It's not a swing on a tree that you want to swing too much. So even if you have 2 feet at the back, that is good enough space. So 3.5 feet and 2 feet. So 5.5 feet or 6 feet area and 8 feet like this is good enough for this swing, and this can be placed in a place where you have such space available. Other option with this Jhula is, in fact, if you see the seat again, this seat is from a sofa set. The client had purchased a sofa, and along with the sofa, he want to keep this Jhula along with that, and that will make it a different set for the living room. Jhula is really an amazing concept, and when we have something like this in the living room or any space, it changes the aura, the look of the place completely. And such units are made on order as per your requirement. Everything, size, design, color, pattern, fabric, even the brass chains. If we want something different, we have got other options listed on the website. You can check those options if you want a different chain. we can provide you that. Another question is majorly about the seating space. Three-seater people ask for. Let me tell you, three-seater Jhulas are very big. For a normal sized person, approximately around 22 inches of space to sit comfortably. This is a 5.5 feet outer seat, 5.5 feet like this, but the space inside is 42 inches. 3.5 feet, so it's good enough for two people. But if we go for bigger sizes, then definitely we need a bigger Jhula, and accordingly, the space needs to be bigger than this size. Another question people mostly have is about the installation part. So the installation involves very easy steps. The pillars, we need to place both the pillars on a distance, and then the top part has grooves and it sets inside the grooves, and then we need to hang the chain. It's very simple installation. It hardly takes 5 to 10 minutes, but yes, you need people to handle the stuff because all this is solid teak wood and it's heavy. It's on a heavier side. It's not lightweight because it has to hold the weight also, and everything has got solid teak wood. So installation is very easy, and we have delivered these units across the globe, more than 55 countries now, and across India, pan India. And the best part remains is factory price, because we are making it here and delivering out of India or your home right to your door. And this always has the best deals when you buy directly from the factory. Quality of Aarsun, the brand of Aarsun, and factory price right to your door. What else we are looking for is the design part, the size part, your choice part. So you let us know. You want a different fabric, we can provide you that. You want a different chain, we can provide you that. The color changes you require, we can do that. Just let us know what you are looking for, and let us make a beautiful piece, a beautiful home Jhula for you, and deliver right to your door. The number is right here. We'll be happy to discuss your requirement. Thank you. Dhanyavad.